What's up, friends? Today I have for you another tutorial using the Melt Cosmetics Smoke So today I have for you another tutorial using the Smoke Sessions palette. Oh my god, guys, that shadow finally fell out. I'm very sad about it. Very sad. But anyway, so this new look that I created, it's just gold, and then I used the other matte shade in the palette. So I'm so pleased with how this came out. Like, and normally, I mean, I don't do dark looks like this, and I am obsessed. I might be wearing a green eye every day. I think this look came out amazing. Let me know your thoughts, and if you want to see how I did this bad boy right here, keep on watching.
For my base today, I am using MAC's Painterly Paint Pot. To set my base and make sure all of the shadows blend evenly, I am picking up Buttercream Frosting from the I Want It All palette. The next shade I'm going to be picking up is 1942, and I'm going to just blend that into my crease. Next, picking up the Smoke Sessions palette, I am picking up the shade Sour Diesel. And so that Blue Dream shade finally fell out, and I am so sad about it. So I'm taking that Sour Diesel shade on a smudger brush and just buffing that into the crease and blending it out. Next shade I'll be picking up is Gravity OG. This is a beautiful bright gold, and I'm just going to pop that onto the center of my lid. And going back with Sour Diesel, I am just going to blend the two together. Next, I'm going to go in with a brown gel liner. This one is the L'Oreal Infallible gel liner in the shade Espresso. And I'm just going to pop that into my lash line and smudge it out on the bottom. At the shade Granddaddy, I'm just going to pat that on my lid as well. For foundation today, I am picking up the Fenty Beauty Primer and Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 150. And for contour, I'm going to pick up the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Stick in the shade Mink. For concealer, I am picking up the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer in the shade L9. Going to buff out that concealer and the cream contour. To set my base today, I am picking up the Airspun Translucent Powder and pressing that into my face. Next, I'm going to curl my eyelashes and apply some L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise Mascara. So sorry, you guys. I have no idea where I got these eyelashes from. They were just thrown in my little lash drawer, and yeah, I have no idea. So I'm so sorry. Today I'm picking up Angel's Eyes Cosmetics blush in the shade Truth. This is one of my favorite blushes ever. Using two different lipsticks today. The first one I'm going to use is the Liquid Cat Suit by Wet n Wild in the shade Nudie Patootie. And then I'm going in with the Balm Meet Matte Hues in the shade Charismatic. That is it for this tutorial today. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I love this palette. It is my favorite. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Love you. Bye.